to show you how to paint Rainbow Dash today, and it looks like this.
Starting by painting a large circle and then a smaller circle for the mouth of Rainbow Dash, just connected to the large circle. You want to place this just at the front of the eyebrow on the forehead because Rainbow Dash is going to be kind of sitting over the eyebrow. And then to do the wing for Rainbow Dash, just think of this as teardrops. It's really easy to do with that same filbert brush, and you want to do 2 layers of them, even though they're not going to be that distinctively layered at this point. Go ahead and do the layers because when you do the line work, it will show up. And then drop one leg going down, really simple. And then, oh, I almost forgot to do the ear. So don't forget to paint in the ear of Rainbow Dash as well. And now I'm going to take a rainbow cake and just pick up the warm colors with a small angled brush and swoop it over the top of Rainbow Dash's head to create that part of her mane. This is one of the reasons this is really, really simple and quick for festivals. I'm going to start by doing the red on her mane. My daughter's being funny. And then I'm going to go over to the opposite side of the cheek and do a little zigzag lightning bolt for the cutie mark that we are going to continue to finish. And then while that's on my brush, I am also going to add the red and warm tones to the tail for Rainbow Dash as well. And don't worry too much about the shape of these because we're going to shape them with black later. So now I'm going to take that same angled brush and I'm going to load up the cool colors on my brush, and I'm going to pull that below the ear for Rainbow Dash's mane, and then I'm going to connect those onto the tail as well, just swooping down. And again, don't worry too much about the shape and you'll know why. And then I'm going to do a zigzag connecting those 2 rainbow strokes for the cutie mark too. And I just do a regular rainbow for the cutie mark, even though Rainbow Dash's colors aren't exactly a true rainbow for her cutie mark, but that's fine. So I'm taking a filbert brush, doing a large white eye, and then while my brush is loaded with white, I'm just going to go over and add in a fluffy cloud. You can use a sponge if you'd like to, but if I have white on my brush, I like to just do as much with white as I can. So you're going to see I'm also going to start adding in a few quick highlights while I have that white on my brush. I don't want to waste it, so I'm going to do a few highlights on the rainbow. I'm going to go in and highlight all of the layers of my wings. And then I am going to go back over the eye because when you paint white over a color you've already laid down, it tends to not be very bright, and I want the eye to be nice and white and bright. So now I'm going to actually outline Rainbow Dash's body and head and wings with a nice dark navy blue, and I'm keeping this really simple. Just a few thin lines and lowlights. It is important to go around the wings so that they stand out nicely. And sorry, my hand is in the way, but it's pretty self-explanatory what I'm doing. I'm just giving those layers of wings a quick outline in blue. And then I do outline the cloud as well because I like this to have kind of a cartoony look, and I think outlining it in blue just helps that. Okay, so now you are going to give some shape to your mane with a small brush and black. This is where I put in all those little curves and slashes so that the mane looks like it has some movement. So you can see I sweep down and then I V up and then do it again. And this is a lot easier to do, get the rainbow color down and then shape it with a black liner brush. Remember, this is our quick festival design, so a lot easier to do it that way. You can see I just went over the eye a little bit. Somehow I did the pupil on the wrong side at first. I'm going to blame it on being at an angle. So I just did a large black pupil and then a small line with the purple that Rainbow Dash has. And then I do some highlights. It is nice to do the sparkle in her eye. It really makes the eye pop. And then the eyelashes, of course, are important. Besides that, I'm just going to keep adding some starbursts. You, of course, can add glitter or put as much detail as you want, lipstick. I'm going to outline our cutie mark as well, just to give it some definition. And then that's really it. It's my super fast, easy Rainbow Dash for festivals. It goes really, really quickly, and I'm not reloading round brushes to do the rainbow, which is the biggest thing for me that makes this easy and fast. In case you're wondering, the rainbow split I used for this was a Crinoline rainbow. I also really like the Diamond Effects rainbow. I've purchased that many, many times, so I hope that helps. It's probably a question I'll get. But like always, comment down below, ask me questions, and please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I hate Rainbow Dash Zombie. Okay, stop. Ow. Oh, what? No! Stop it! Billy, please.